write myself letters, try to figure it out, telephone calls saying I should be happy, but all I can feel is down. Oh, I can never hold you in the way that I once used to, 'cause I told you that I wanted to let go. And I can never let go while I'm roving in the hollow of an empty bed, and all I'll ever know is the way we were. Took all my heart, took all my courage to break it all apart, 'cause we were like fire, then like an ember, the smoke rising from the dirt. And I can never hold you in the way that I once used to, 'cause I told you that I wanted to let go. And I can never let go while I'm roving in the hollow of an empty bed, and all I'll ever know is the way we were. The way we were. You take the couch, since you bought it you ought to. You take the blanket and the bed. I'll take myself, I'll take the feelings, the obstacle thoughts in my head. Oh, I can never hold you in the way that I once used to, 'cause I told you that I wanted to let go. And I can never let go while I'm roving in the hollow of an empty bed, and all I'll ever know is the way we were. The way we were. So that's that. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been around for a while and I've not been doing anything bullet journal related. I don't know if you can tell, but I went through a breakup, which is why I wrote that song. So that's kind of been me for the past several months. And I've been super busy, like moving apartments and trying to figure out how to best do what I want to do with my life, etc. So I'm back on music, and that's what I want to be working towards. So I've been writing a lot recently, and I'm recording as well, so hopefully I'll be able to share more stuff with you soon. But until then, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you.